5,000 euros. So you got a 3x5, 15x multiplier, well 16x multiplier, 4.5k winners. Good luck. It's me, Mario. I could never imagine that, you know, Peru, right? But because that's South America, and is that a mentality that is very popular there, that the man can have multiple wives? I only thought I was mostly Arabic thing. Good luck. 7x and a pachinko dub song. Good luck. Mario, our new host. No, I'm actually an older one, Karen. I'm like, I have been doing this for years by now, you know? It's just I don't do this very often. So whenever I meet new players, they're like, I've never seen you before. And I'm like, well, that's because... Pachinko! Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Pachinko with the 7x multiplier! Look. We got... Alright, so look at that. 35x is the minimum we're gonna get here for this round, ladies and gentlemen. That's great. Let's see what is gonna be the maximum. 25 or 50 and a double. So that's a 350x is a maximum multiplier this time without the doubles. Alright, alright. Let's go up, baby. Let's go up. Let's go up. Oh. 350x multiplier right here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. It's so beautiful down there below. 140x multiplier, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, right now. Coming to you. Nice.
Open right now. Good luck. Autoplay in the bottom right available if you wish to make the system plays bits for you. You can feel free to use that wonderful fabulous option as well. Opportunity. Abba, crazy time 3x on the top, start again. Bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum. Well, Nemesis, it wasn't that long though. It was not that long. And you know what? Crazy time with a magical touch right there. We got, oh, I love to see this. Ah, penguins are coming back. Let's go, guys! Ooh, look at this beauty. Crazy time, crazy time, crazy, crazy, crazy time. Alright, the actual beauty we're about to see yet. The multipliers are showing up on the wheel, but they are all about to get 3 times as good now. Gets 3x from the top slot, yeah, baby! Sweet. Alrighty, well now your decision time begins. The green, the blue, or the yellow flapper. You get a big one. Come on, guys. Can we get that 600 extra somebody? That's a good shot. 75, 75, and 150x. Yellow team, you got the best one.
Autoplay option is available. Alright, let's go. Oh dear. Good luck. 7x and 10. We have a lot of Russian people here now as well. Oh, that's alright. Slow down. Crazy time. Let's go. Ooh. Alright, well. Follow me. And what's up, ladies? What's up, gentlemen? So we made it. Well, there we go. Right, so we have triples up on a wheel, which is great. Okay, cool. So yeah, now it is your time to choose. So whichever flapper you want to go for. Green one, blue one, yellow one. If you can't pick in time, don't worry. Autopick will do it for you. So choose carefully, choose wisely. Most of you are going for the blue clapper. More than 35%. So max multiplier now is 200x. Good luck. $25 for the green team, 20 for the blue team. Yellow team, you got that 200x. Let's go.